Put in this. What?
That's all there is.
What are you talking about?
They picked it up this afternoon. There's only $1,100.
Well, she's telling you the truth.
Shoot me.
Oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. There's no money here.
Come on, Sonny, let's do it!
I'm doing it! There's... Too much. This is too much. This is too much. All right, come on, let's go.